hi friends, welcome back again to the channel Eau de Parfum, the place to be. For today's video, once again a fragrance from the company ZARA, but this time a fragrance for men. This one right here, I'm going to do like an unboxing and review for this fragrance right here. It is called ZARA Night pour Homme 2 Summer or Summer Edition. So without further ado, let's start our unboxing. I'm gonna take off this cellophane. By the way, this is the price on the box, but I actually got it for much less than this. And also I noticed that on the ZARA website they said that they are going to reduce the price at the 15th, I believe, of July. So guys, you have to stay tuned and check out the ZARA website in case you want to order a fragrance online. Anyways, let's continue our unboxing. Let's take off this cellophane. Alright, as you can see, really nice. It's cool, modern type of box. I like these shades from the white color to the blue. Very nice. It looks a lot like the box for ZARA Night 2 pour Homme Winter that we have over here. So yeah, this is a flanker, let's say a flanker to ZARA Night pour Homme 2. There was a winter edition and there is this summer edition. I believe also there was a sport edition that I tried and I didn't like at all right away from first spray. But I'm not gonna talk about that fragrance in this video. This video is only for this one right here. So, ZARA Night pour Homme 2 Summer is an EDP, an Eau de Parfum. It is an aromatic aquatic fragrance for men. This was launched in, I believe, in the very end of last year, at the end of 2019. As I said, it is an EDP concentration. For the, if you guys want to know about the main accords for this fragrance, we have marine accords, aromatic, citrusy, aquatic, and salty. So yeah, you can tell that it is definitely a fragrance for summer. If you guys want to know about the notes, we really don't have much going on when it comes to the note breakdown. Pretty much the same informations on the ZARA website and also on Fragrantica and other websites. So for the notes, we have bergamot, marine accords, and amber. So let's pull our bottle out of the box. I like this presentation. It's pretty unique and different when it comes to ZARA fragrances. And this is the fragrance right here laying inside, and I took it out. As you can see, really lovely looking bottle, lovely looking color, the color of the juice as well, very nice. And this bottle, really, the design is very similar to the design of ZARA Night pour Homme 2 Winter. It is identical actually, the same type of cap as well, same shape, same design, but really lovely looking bottles. Both of them really nice. If you guys want to see the bottle, inside of the bottle, nothing much going on in there, just something to hold the bottle inside the box. But I really like this color, and I believe it is the same color that we have inside the cap right here. Very nice. Let's spray a little bit. So let's see how the sprayer sprays. Let's see if it is as good as on ZARA Night pour Homme 2 Winter. Okay, very nice distribution. Third spray, very nice, impressive, especially for that price. It's really, yeah, it's really impressive. Pretty good deal. And what a blast of citruses. This is really nice. I already tried this fragrance, but I tried it like a week or something ago, like a week or 8 days ago, to see how it's gonna perform and all that. But I really, let's say, like, I kind of forgot about this opening. Very lovely opening. I believe, I mean, the notes, it says bergamot, marine accords, and amber, but I do believe there is more citruses in this fragrance, something even more than bergamot, maybe lime, maybe lemon as well. Very lovely up in it. The scent of this fragrance really resembles, I would say a little bit resembles this one right here, ZARA Cerule or ZARA Soul, but I would say that this one right here is much better than Soul, and this one is actually even closer to Invictus by Paco Rabanne. And it has really this it also reminds me a lot of Invictus Aqua 2016, especially when it comes to this saltiness that this fragrance has and the citruses really, and with the aquatic notes and the marine accords. Really, it reminded me a lot of that fragrance, even though that one is really something much better, something really above. That combination between the citruses and the marine accords really starts to show up little by little, and I mean, after that 5 minutes, 7 minutes mark, the fragrance, I mean the character of this fragrance really starts showing up. The amber as well, you can start sensing it, and the amber in this one is really I like it, and it is much better than the amber on ZARA Man Silver Summer. As I said before on my review for this one, I said that the amber in this one is really very synthetic and gives that cheap impression. But this one right here, it is just the opposite. You cannot tell, I mean, if you spray this, you go out, people will not really tell if this is a cheap fragrance. It has this vibe that gives it the impression that it is a pretty decent scent. Overall, this fragrance is really fresh, refreshing, very masculine, and really persistent. And this time I can really consider this one as a decent clone to Invictus by Paco Rabanne. I've said before in my review for ZARA Soul that I really do not consider ZARA Soul as a clone to Invictus. It does have some resemblance, but it's not as really as close to it as ZARA Night Pour Homme to Summer. And yeah, so for the performance, after trying this fragrance at the store and trying it, I think I really sprayed it a lot at the store, maybe 7-8 sprays or even a little bit more. The fragrance really lasted for like 6 hours. It projects, I would say, like between moderate and a little bit heavy for the very first 45 minutes to 1 hour. And it only starts becoming a skin scent after the second, or let's say 2 hours and a half. And really, this fragrance, I don't really see it as a fragrance that you can wear all year long, or for winter or any other season, but summer. I mean, it is only perfect for summer. It is a proper summer fragrance. So do I recommend this fragrance? Definitely, but as I always say, try it before buying it. But really, I mean, for the price, it is very affordable. And as I said earlier, now the ZARA store or the ZARA website, they said that they're gonna reduce the price, I think maybe to like $7 or $8. So $8 for 100 ml bottle is really very cheap. Very good deal for this fragrance, especially this one. I prefer this one much better than ZARA Man Silver Summer that I just reviewed lately. And yeah, as I said, I highly recommend this one right here, ZARA Night Pour Homme to Summer. So guys, I guess this is it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, press that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and definitely stay tuned for the next videos. Take care.